Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to deposit money from Venmo to your Prizepicks account. First of all, you need to log into your Prizepicks account. You can use your Prizepicks mobile app or website. Then you need to navigate to deposit and you need to enter the amount you want to deposit. The minimum deposit amount is $10 and you need to select Venmo as a payment method. Of course, you can use Venmo if it's available in your location. After that, it will redirect you to Venmo where you need to finalize the transaction. When you open your Prizepicks app, you need to click this three lines in the top left right here. You can just click this plus icon right here, and then you need to select deposit. After that, you need to choose the payment method. So in this case, you want to choose the Venmo, right, which is right here. And then you need to enter the amount you want to deposit and click deposit in the bottom. Then it will take you to Venmo where you need to verify the transaction. But there are some important notes. The locations, guys, there are some restrictions. For example, Venmo deposits are not available in some states in US. So here's the list of these states. Also, matching account info. Make sure that the name on your Venmo account matches the name on your Prizepicks account to avoid issues. And also there are some deposit limits. If you are unable to deposit certain amount, it might be due to deposit limits or responsible gaming settings on your account. So that's how you can deposit money from Venmo to Prizepicks. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.